Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a perimeter alarm using our Viewtron AI security camera system. And for this demo, I'm going to use that Viewtron 180-degree security camera that you see behind me. And I'm going to set up an intrusion zone out here so that an alarm is triggered in the house and I know when someone has entered the property. The reason why I'm making this video is I designed a system for a customer the other day that wanted to set up a perimeter alarm around his entire home. And he wanted to make sure that when an intruder enters the intrusion zone at night, that it would wake him up. So I suggested that he use the built-in alarm that's built into our Viewtron NVRs. He was concerned that it wasn't going to be loud enough. So I told him he can also hook up an external siren, like 110 or 120 decibel siren to the alarm outputs on the Viewtron NVR if the built-in alarm buzzer is not loud enough. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the built-in alarm buzzer on the Viewtron NVR. So let's go inside and set up the intrusion zone out here, and then I'll walk through a demo and set off the alarm so you can hear what it sounds like.
Here's the live view of the Viewtron IP camera that's connected to our Viewtron NVR. And I'm going to access the menu system of the NVR down here by selecting Settings and then select Perimeter Detection from the AI Event menu. On this screen, I'm going to select the camera that we're working with, which is that 180 camera on the side of my house. And it's the regional intrusion that we're going to enable. So I'm going to enable this checkbox here for regional intrusion. And you can see the perimeter that I already drew by pointing and clicking on the screen down here. I already took this step. And then obviously only people detection is applicable in this case, but you could also enable motor vehicle detection. So I'm going to click apply there. Oh, one other thing, you can set these alarms on a schedule. So I'm just going to have mine 24/7 around the clock for now. And I'm going to trigger the alarm for a 10-second duration. So next, if I go into trigger mode, you could see I already have push notifications set up, but this buzzer is the thing that I want to enable. That's what enables the alarm to be triggered on the NVR, the audible alarm, when the perimeter detection is triggered. So I'm going to click apply there. And then when I'm done with those settings, I can X out of the settings there, and I'm back at the live view of the IP camera. If I click on this button, this enables the intrusion detection screen over here on the right. In a few seconds, you'll see me walk around the corner. And when I cross the threshold of that intrusion zone, you'll hear the perimeter alarm go off on the NVR. I left my iPhone back over at the NVR recording so you can hear how loud the perimeter alarm is on the NVR. Notice that the Viewtron NVR recorded this perimeter intrusion event and annotated it with these thumbnail images on the right. All of the recorded perimeter alarm events are extremely easy to locate and play back on our Viewtron NVRs, which I cover in other videos.
Guys, I hope this video has been helpful. I want to mention a few other things before we wrap up. Although I was mainly demonstrating the audio alarm on the Viewtron NVRs that's triggered from a perimeter intrusion, those perimeter intrusions can trigger all types of events. So in addition to the audio alarm that's built into the NVR, you could send a push notification to the mobile app. You could trigger external alarms that are connected to the alarm output panel on the Viewtron NVR. In addition, if you want the intruder to be alerted that an alarm was set off, this particular camera that I'm demoing, the Viewtron 180-degree security camera, has a built-in alarm light and a built-in speaker. So when the perimeter is intruded on, that can trip the light on the camera itself, and also an audio siren or a warning message. So that speaker can play an alarm siren sound or a pre-recorded message, and you can upload customized audio messages and customized alarms to it. Guys, if you have any questions about setting up perimeter alarms using our Viewtron AI security cameras or anything related to security cameras, you could always reach out to me directly. I can be reached via email at mike@viewtron.com. If you want to learn more about our Viewtron AI security cameras, where you can set up these perimeter zones, you could set up virtual tripwires, and by the way, they can be set off by vehicles in addition to humans. Obviously, humans weren't applicable back here, but in the front driveway, I have it set up to detect cars when they enter the driveway as well. Anyways, you can learn about all the Viewtron AI functionality at www.viewtron.com/AI. Thank you for watching.